Restoration of degraded habitats through the planting of trees in Amazonian territories of the Vicariato de Aguarico. The benefited communities are Lumucha, Sardinas, San Pablo Norte, San Andrés, San Jose, and Amarún Mesa. The provinces of Oredana and Sucumbíos in March and April 2020 were seriously affected by the disappearance of the San Rafael waterfall due to erosion. And for this same reason, the oil pipeline broke, causing a spill of 15,000 barrels that affected 150 communities that live on the banks of the Napo and Coca rivers. The Vicariato de Aguarico, together with Caritas, have reached out to some of the affected communities through meetings, interviews, surveys to determine the most pressing needs. But the problem is not only about flood survival, but the need to mitigate the erosion of the banks of the Coca River and the restoration of the flora and fauna of the area, with the planting of diversified trees, which helps to sustain themselves in the long term and guarantee their permanence on those lands. The project proposes to plant native trees such as the chiparo that will help reduce erosion and maintain the slopes and the river flow. The objective of the project is to plant and care for 2,100 trees on the lands of 287 families, which is equivalent to 1,435 people benefited, through the collection of native timber and non-timber seeds throughout the 3 years of project execution. Beneficiaries will be trained in caring for the environment, and a long-term planting process will be maintained. The impact on the ecosystem of 2,100 healthy trees is the absorption of 3,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year and the production of oxygen for 9,000 people per day. The Vicariato de Aguarico, as a collaborating entity, will execute all the project activities from the production of plants to the delivery to the beneficiaries, training and monitoring of the growth of the plants through a team of experts in the field. In addition, the Vicariato will act in partnership with the Club Rotario Quito Equinoccio, who will supervise the activities of the project. Other Rotary clubs of District 4400, the Red Eclesial Panasónica, REPAM, which will act as a coordinator of some other actions in the Amazon that are at the service of life, creation, the most needy, and the common good. The amount of the project amounts to 1,700, of which 90,000 is for the production of plants, delivery to families and follow-up in their care, and 80,000 for evaluation, monitoring, supplies, equipment, and training. Contact for the project is Mauricio Merino Naranjo, President of the Projects Commission of the Quito Equinox Rotary Club. To restore, reforest, and preserve the native communities of our Amazon, we need your contribution to make this project a reality.